Kim Kardashian receives hilarious help from sister Khloe with Skims bodysuit snaps. Kim Kardashian shares a funny video of sister Khloe Kardashian struggling to snap her Skims bodysuit. Kim Kardashian recently shared a humorous video on her Instagram stories, capturing a relatable moment between sisters. In the clip, Khloe Kardashian can be seen struggling to fasten the snaps on Kim's Skims bodysuit, leading to laughter and jokes between the two.
This is literally what sisters do. I'm over in the bathroom. I can't snap my bodysuit.
This is what girls do in the bathroom for so long. When they're like, what are you doing there? Oh, wait. Oh my god.
It won't work,
No,
right?
I got
It's
one.
like so short. Oh, you got one.
Hold on. Do you need to lay down?
No, I'm like sitting.
But that sitting here making it worse.
Just pull whatever you need.
You know why? Because it's not up your bowl.
I know, because I'm wearing Skims shapewear. But I just feel like I feel more comfortable.
Okay, there's one.
Okay.
Motherfucker.
What am I going to do if I have to pee again?
I'll go right there with you.
I feel like, do I need to take my pants all the way off and spread
No.
my leg out? You got it?
Yep.
Yeah!
This is literally what sisters do, Kim joked in the video. I can't snap my bodysuit. This is what girls do in the bathroom for so long, mom of two Khloe chimed in. When they're like, what are you doing in there? The video, filmed in a bathroom mirror, showcases the everyday struggles of getting dressed, with Khloe humorously commenting on the time women spend in bathrooms fixing their outfits. Kim and Khloe's playful banter and laughter highlight their close bond and shared experiences as sisters. This light-hearted moment comes after a busy summer for the Kardashian sisters, who recently attended the Ambani wedding in India and visited a temple with Jay Shetty to serve food.